Ezu. Emefa. Mia. One touch.
December 7.
Mama fa. Ewiem kwache. Ewiem che.
Again, sign for the movie.
Make a sign.
Me aga sametomaba. Ekufa droba sunya minimi densini. Metomaba ma MPP. My afu me sementoma mentomaba me. Because of atemdidi ni dos. Omo ye no omo ha. Na ayi enfantifo mo ye Jimmy for mo ne ntafo nyina ye pe. Ma ma ye teni. Awumia ye teni. So what you say? Etimu ya no kasa na be ma obi aye de arrogant.
We a leader dey person to man on bawomia no. Na juni mo tu. Na juni no. Adwene daniti no. E mo tu. Babua yadena no. Wo mu nyina be sa ko school.
Afia bato na Samre Yeguso eji adwenkyere no wo Kumase Emontene so ebusebusa Ghana force so afi amayeko be no moto o maba ede amano na hwana ewe ni afi so abato no e say emu ayeshi yie pa akana kakra be na yesa abato no ebre no aso obani ga say the force
Washi ye frame Enoch ama
kise me hwa atale o show de a e say wokoto aba NDC amanyeko edi enti na ja edi enti kwa na wo chusu NDC abato aye waba ede amano.
Okay me ni ameda ase na no pai me ahoho asem hye NDC atale na Ghana ye wo hai se ye beka no kra ye wo party mienu e wo Ghana ha NDC ni MPP but ope party a ode ahoto e de bre timamini a e NDC minua
NDC na dia hotoble NDC na dia hotoble Ghana fo
me na me ka kire wo
edi enti na mo dia hotoble Ghana fo
minua ye nhwe bibi 2015 2016 ana me shabra bo ase me kan AC 3 bedroom self contained na samre no na me to cement 26 cedis me ya na me beto nchensen alozing first class no me to 380 cedis and nessa alozing no na business 5 bedroom self contained alozing no 1500 within 7.5 years no na me nua o ka kire me say sa amamwe ne sa MPP amamwe nya he na ye and cement me 110 cedis na ti me de sama mo we ya toto sama mo we ya fi nkire me say MPP far better than NDC born homogen na ye anumde ene kasade ene aza ene ye de dada Ghana fo it me say John Dramani Mahama
who be boy
ya aza dream katasehye ene aza ankrofo e de to Mahama so enso na nya no kurenti ne hwe mfie nwotwe se Mahama oye bone a ankasi anko de prison Mosi woni mama muo Mahama kafro no de oye tani minua mu a mose mo de mo ye economic whiskey no ne sankofo no Ghana ye kan ye cedi to dollar rate na Mahama tamle da 4 cedis and me ka kire say da 17.5 minua na kafra obi edua atosode e wofuom onkra emfiri abekire na eba nanso wo say dollar aka no dollar tumi kan se ma na yi o se so no so 1 ton sa ono so enya sika mfa nkoto sebe nnam enu aduane ndi nti ena mamuo no age o nsem bibi ankoye nti media mo yensesem yesesem a ahotopa beba sure
o si yensesem a de ahoto ebeba o man Ghana
abusa sabe dan chena gesa abato pempen so no aka kekra bi adu so anasa na sabe enum na enam Kumase Emontene so ane yeji agwenkyere nom seso afi abato no se na ekọ na omuji abadu ko mbaso mo winness obadi kunima na oyi ma babi the first say
Bede Aisha
afi bato ba
beto pa
why go from material
ready pa tuma bia ma ho
amaye ko ba na ekọ
amaye ko de aka kwa don ko na ekọ no so awu
se wana ko
di se pa de em se kum na na ba ku
o ma to ma kum
bede kuma na ma to
ede na pa kum
eze NDC ni APP o mo mwaye eze ye hu de e to aba nti kuma na ma to ama no
oba ye ma ba sho o se France
ye fe me mera tinga
na o so afia bato ko ko mate fa na fa
number 1 na number 1 na is education that bani papa wa ya die baby my baby adi so kuma Ghana ha aye papa say education can be buy want to go school this can be member but go school upon wa ya die
December 7th na mo na
wa 5 year
papa ni gese na so e fa na ko mo tafia ko
me from ya jadu abema
okay
me mento ma obia every say obia nsuro nyame obia nka no kre obia sika nibrafo ndime ntoma obia
right abayi ma pacho ni demo o safi akwani
Comma number 1.
akoma na mo I did say number 1
Ba wa boa me ma school.
Yeah, afraid number 1
Na ngba na na ko.
okay onsa
Dabi obia ba e wo ma na e wo mti na ni abeto amade o tese na ato. Obi ma maka se obeti na o maso. Yo tese no otum di obaba nso betum ti abeto amade o tese na.
Wana na mo se eko yo abayi ma na so afi number 1 na eko
Number 1 ba omia.
ba o mi na eko
Ne.
aha e dey say mo ko to abade ma ba o mi
Ye hwe ne akufo ade aye na. Ye se ba me eto aso. No no so be ye mo. Aha, nse mpesa metu ma baba wo.
Yeah, that's it. Yo, I wish I could say, no, my cinema, so you could so I get against Channel our Hanum. You have said, they say, young Kojibi, I was so our you. You do remember the legacy, young head. Open the gas, now December 7th, about 20 basso. I was a welcome with I'm on your company, command.
You, I'm a bad Mechia, Mira, Gondomani Mahama.
Okay.
Our year number 8 year. Yami aya duma aya Saturday ebe ya yina ya jiki na ya je tada ya ko to aba no e de ama John Dramani Mahama awoye number 8 it so busamia number 8
eneko e dey tina ho ja wo ko pen number 8 na ja on pen number 1 under political party aka
John Dramani Mahama ye ni pa bia the train policy a wode agu akwam se e bia enkuku asem a wokan no wokan enkuku asem no me de magneto form na me hu se no kwasem se enkuku asem a wokan si yen enkuku no wokan na se a ebebuan isa se enkuku fosu a ye kokra efi ama no ne de ba no ye hwe sika dodo a ye de kwama no ne ekokra sa enkuku fosu no e de ba ha se na kaye ne a ye de ye de wa ha se ya se me hemani kane ope omo e we sika organize a omo ye farms bi de se akati farms any Daku farms, any other big farms here, Akanum, and Uti, and I bet say, you know, to about the Madron, the money Mahama. The money Mahama.
What's the last way?
I mean, you're like a Sabi, if I be meaning, I prefer meaning, but nothing watch it.
So I can say,
this matter, let's say, Mimishano. Minianum get swinging for free education boy from your club, Musa, Bissine. Ever Pumleo. So that's so costly. That's so costly. To me, India, what's an argument, but an argument fat.
It was like a cook with the F and F.
Hey, and dear, who be himself number 1. Almost number 1. That will be himself number 1 dear. It start from first. And I want to son with a kind 1, 2, 3. What's that do 11 and 1. It's either 1 India and 1 India.
I see one another go right. You, somebody the legacy, Gusua, Obias one, wish one. I found out the effort. Oh, my, yeah. Send me some. Yo, oh, my mammy, passionate, and I have frosty.
Me ba cho me dia gata.
Maria Gata, December 7th. What's over?
Me ba cho me to papa.
Sir, when you have over.
Me to papa.
Now, you come and echo.
Me to ma ba omia. Number 1. Onu na me to ma no. Efi se oba e me ma gata de me to me lo mo lo kwa me papa. Me ma me yenu me nua mo ma ensia. Etika ho chi na akọ Fred case. Oh, me ba ketu na akọ Fred case this year. Ayi ba ya. Obey health insurance. Me kwa me wu free. Me health insurance. Mahama ba no the health insurance. What come tell she bet to us at the first say wo kwa hospital what me ti amako wo kwatafo. Na ya re ba oba just all the neighbor amako man san na wan for doctor. Enti me ma ba there number 1. They say number 1. Na ko fuado. Wa hwe me na me mabunya free. Africa me na me muse li baba ngotwe. Ela ko Sunday school. E free na me pai bo say na ko fuado na e ko.
Na ko fuado na ko. Mama na wonso e.
Me so. Ya from me mama.
Mama go.
Me pa cho bebre. Me so abano ye nyina ayefo so. E kire say de obebe bia ayefo so na mom no. Se si amon hwe say ye beto aba enne ukoto ade ye se yatum. E kire ukoto ade ye se yatum. Enti ade be ntina amasa ade na ekoso. Sawati ase enne ukoto ade a yatum ne e kire ukoto yatum. Bibia ya tutum na nka me fi sanka ya beto abedie anka so mutumi bu no ma bim na ya hubati sisi ano eno ma kwa na ekosoro utode ne yesi ato wom say papa no aboa ye free education ya mom no eno ma tututum no onhwe no nya bibi fa ho anya sada ye ntoma no me dem ye ndis ni preko
we ndis ni preko
yes
yeah that's why I did yeah that's it yo aba hima pa so ba adu so also here your friend say
about your friend Esther
also December 7th who promote it for
them go promote the kwama ba wo if you say me me dinner to wa free ne ba wo no on papa nhwe nkwala no na adu adawroma akwa na wie free education me ankasa so me ba wo kwotre won so ko free ni bi etimi nua mo nyina ma so akobi etimi de metuma ba ma ba wo
Mrs. Efrem, I'm here because I feel offensive. Offensive, I'm a woman free. Baumia, and one up of his and my year sending up for free education.
Yes.
I don't know, saying it to your son, I don't know what's a son, and I only papa mo.
Yo, I'm here now. Yo, I'll answer.
Number one.
Oh, okay. No more, get me some market. Also number by the way.
Number one, I come me me how be damn to me from Boku. I feel one of me, I go back Canada. I go come to me to me to me for Boku and what gather me. To me, number one, but we are not to Amano.
Oh, yeah. Hey, okay, you. Okay, Yako. How am I about your any different forces? First, December 7th. I'm free. I have
I'm going this.
Which you want to say? This was a common and this.
The entire Michiramuka class, a Bequama and this. You must see, and I have one again. And I'm from your door, so snake. You must have fallen. I almost so got then you know, I nippa Nipaya, and I cough out. And ye, it's so who and people, Mimi and who and people when this idea about at the end at the doors. Miaga Sametomaba, a good father of us, Yamini Desi, Metomaba, and people. My afro me semen to my men to my because of attending the doors. Oh, my and one and then FI and find to form Jimmy for money and tough when I pet my tenny. I will be a tenny. So what I say, it's me at the Casa and a Bama will be the Arrogate, the Aodiachi. So what I say, and now I bow me out Casa, so also I mates. And to the young Tuma, any driver in through one more driver. I didn't know what Casa, who opposition. Now by Casa, who you mate, any driver through one hour who by a mate, and now patches. Who patches say, Mamma, what can I say? Catch them. Now because me tia, no tia. It is our Casa idea, and also a young Palau when you so what I say. It's a saying, I have Mahama, or Banasa, near Bassage, sanity.
No, but Ghana for Natia said December 7th. You talk about my Ura, Mahama, and that's ending sanity.
Zoo, as a MFA, I want that.
December 7th.
Mama, a young quarter,
a young sign for whom you may be
make a sign.
I didn't, Mama, I yes, and this fire Yamagana was at one.
Unless you are no.
Okay.
8 years on with the end of you. I'm going to say, can of play.
Okay.
I know my boy.
But yes, okay. How about him about also?
The part of December 17th, Baumia.
Okay.
If we say free education, what the Abano. Mimi, dear, one
okay.
It's the American say December 17th. Young Portman number 1. Baumia
number one. Free education.
Okay.
Free education. Number one. Free education.
Thank you. Oh my ma, the forces.
That's your family man for.
Mama, December 7th. Who come with what's over?
You better about
and also Banama you come and echo.
I watch number one. Esro. If you branch, if you want done it, number one, back up a bit of baby. If you want done it, Yamia, you want the actually number one and one across. I said, when you I didn't make a champion before and it says for Mukania anymore, more see a stamp so. Okay. And we hear number one, so when you stamp so a fuck up, you stamp so man and not yet. And we hear about Papa, my stamp on was on your stamp so a giant. Number one and
you is number one and echo. Open the I do so. But I feel I ready so much.
The patron may already send me to a papa.
I'm a copain. I feel why I want to do it.
I'm a young man, send me to my MPP.
Okay, which you say?
Yes, send me to my MPP. This said, where leader the to man on Bawomiano. Not you want to. Not you know. I didn't tell it to know. And want to. Yadana, what would you ever say for school? About what I get the floor. About what I buy a floor. One more by set of a woman Ghana. Sure. I will also be bow. Or what the president, the also by the bar. What's over there? Who can't take it? And I'm going to take it by him. Yet, yourself, woman, dear. Yet, there's so many prejudice here. And you have to Mabomia. Media be just on his head. They be just to catch a crown and said, because you have to Mabomia and said, you're just for no more panel. School, varsity for. And then one more banning Rano. And yes, you can't get a show. She said, Yamakwana, Mammy, and Saba Goose of fear. Ma, and Martana who met Papa who met you be a scoop and Wabuka. No, be a water. What you said, MPP for my Yaduma. Miss Ren, Asantimai, or Magana myself. Munyo, Abanu boom, and man number one. You're so to number one. You've been here to the president.
Thank you. And I see.
Can I pay you for a woman? Why? That be at the Pausa, and man so I can't collect a mema. It's woman could be my aunt, and I have breath. Ya breath. Ah, yet the crowd you go about that into my bam and paying for some, paying from why. And just how my quite we are breath. What may be tonight?
I see. I'm on baby tonight. You, somebody, my mom, where I say, I say, baby, okay. About him, I'm passionate, Mammy, I feel. What is your trouble?
Hey, me swam about me. If he said, me shana na kufuado buy, and near my why you school dying. I was here, any hospital, any acquire why ye. Shaya Joy was Siamayan. Yeah, when it does was so better Yamayan. Etiano, yeah, number one. Yes, I did that. Baby, a bank of get you. Young man can get it, and one get it. First, what's in a fear? Nanka create a washer, and now what's in a fear? Nana Brother, we are Prano Wasmano. And Numa Penty, and a metro, and the Amano. No one's met what the Nanado. I am also. Naya, what I'm winning in our one baby, and my aunt, Master Man.
Also, yeah, my own way.
School 2014. Many free education call. Me mama my 10. Obi anwa wo ko bi. Me am yaketo akwa ma ko bi. Ba na na do ba ya no. Me sister mama en se wa na awie. Enti me ko promote we. Me ni bi plagro. Me pese mu begu. Number 1 ono na.
Promote ni plagro.
Me ni bi plagro na me ko promote na ko bu dey bi. Me da ko ti mama number 1. Me ni bi plagro. Enti number 1 ono na ko. It is highly possible.
Nanado. Nyamisho papa. Nyame mo fatete na wodin. Nyan same people from war. Free education, I want your papa. Nanka me say no so no why. Some me baby we free education. I'm a national training college. Na don't see a rabba me fee. Me the number one idea, ucha me kwankwa number one. Me baba number two ma ko ba ka say. Hey, I go for the way. Ba me a, ye ni me say ba mo be abaye de chance say. Ba me o da baba ya no e ba pulo so. Obia to ma ba me number one.
Right. Okay, also can say.
Number one, number one,
We do a share salaries when you present them as a trouble.
Many papa, many bless me trauma, your rubber will me about it. Nanya na do I and all but was why I am my. Nanya Miss Ranessa, I got the 4 more domuha. But you want your hockey, I'm a pa. I got the 4 of that's not near my home. Ya chama traba, ya chama traba, but one is a time. Ya to me what trouble. Where there is someone if you will be a solid what to not back. Now my rubber will me also so I'm at us on your Juman. If say Yara, no more you be my pa, if you could force so. Ever see. Your rabba will me ask him sack for even the papa. It will be a solid cottonaba. Then you know, Shamayan.
Thank you. Right. I'll do
You measure the American say Ghana for Asante 4 people. The idea will be a month and chain. Namama to a banner. Said the president is here, no. Ah, what do you mean post school quano? Momoa, na Ghana, yes, yenya. And no market second, my money and nano. The yes, and say, and today, I said, they walk forward in my Cotomaba. For 2 hours,
A very big hello to all our lovely Tap Send customers across the world. We appreciate you and we say a big thank you for supporting us and sticking with us all these years. You are the reason Tap Send is there, and you would know that right now you are not able to use Tap Send to send money to Ghana. The reason is that the Bank of Ghana has suspended our local partnerships with banks and financial institutions in Ghana. That means that we are not able to send your money to Ghana right now. This suspension is to do with the wallet product which we Tap Send launched in the UK and Europe. The wallet product is licensed by the regulators in the UK and Europe. It is legal and is totally compliant with all the regulations. Bank of Ghana, however, have some concerns with the wallet, which we are working really hard to address. So for now, they have suspended our operations in Ghana for up to a month, and we are working to do our very best to reduce that suspension as it stands. I will say though that the wallet product is legal in the UK, like I said. Your money is completely safe and protected by the laws in UK and Europe. So don't worry about your money. If you have money in the wallet, it will still be there when we come back and it will be safe and secure. This wallet is innovation from us, and we hope that we can resolve this and continue to serve you, the Ghanaian diaspora. What I'll say though is, just like you stuck with us all this time, please stick with us again. Don't send your money through others. Hold the money if you can, and send it in December, because we are coming with big promotions, we are coming with big giveaways, and we are coming with good rates to allow you to send money to Ghana and have more money for your loved ones in Ghana. So please stay with us. Your love help us build Tap Send to where it is right now. Your love and your support will continue to help us come back from these issues and continue to build Tap Send. Thank you very much. We love you from all of the Ghana team. Please keep supporting us. We'll be back soon.
Tap Send. Papa no.